Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. That's right, we stopped phone farming for about a whole 5 days ish. Stopped phone farming with everything that was going on, getting things set up. Got super frustrated with it, so we just said, you know what, we're gonna step away for a little bit. So since about Friday, just said no more. Didn't look at them, didn't touch them, didn't do anything with them. It's almost 8 o'clock Wednesday. You're probably seeing this on Thursday or late Wednesday evening. But just had to step away and give it a break. I mean, it was bad enough. Frustration was high enough that I even thought about just forget the phone farming, the YouTube stuff, and just uh, not worrying about it. Learned a long time ago to obviously not make decisions when you're frustrated and things are going on. Step away, take a minute, take a breath, reevaluate things, and then come back to it. And that's where we're at now. So after the reevaluation, looked at things, got on, looked at the YouTube channel, and talk about an uplift. Came in, looked, and in the last 2 days, got almost 29 subscribers, which is super awesome. We appreciate all of you guys being here. So just uplifting the, okay, got it. Frustrations are over with. Ready to get back down to it. So we will get the phone farm set up. You can see right here that the phone farm has been brought inside. Not much is running. I haven't messed with them, so we've got to start getting that set up. And hopefully we get that part rolling and moving so that hopefully by Saturday, cross our fingers, that by Saturday we have a plan in place and everything's moving along. So there is no profit update because there, just wasn't messing with it. I haven't really looked. Don't even want to look. So that's where that's at. Now we are going to continue, obviously, to make videos and keep this YouTube channel rolling, even with the things that are going on. I don't think phone farming's dead, but we will continue to do phone farming stuff and just tech-related videos. In fact, yesterday I got called by a Microsoft scammer, and I recorded that whole conversation. It was like an hour and 20 minutes long. I'm going to chunk that up and throw this on the channel. I found it humorous. I was wasting his time, so he wasn't wasting Grandma down the street's time. So maybe you guys will find that a little bit funny or interesting. From there, we also went, I will up in the top right of our main YouTube channel, we will be linking our Patreon page. We were asked that in the live feed for that, so we're going to go ahead. We've created it. We'll go ahead and link that for you guys. This is probably one of the very few times you'll hear us talk about it. So anyway, guys, yeah, that's where we're at with everything. We're going to get going. We're going to get focused out. We're going to start doing a lot more tutorials and still keep the apps and the ads and stuff like that going. Ads, not ads. Ads. Well, hopefully we got ads for our phones, but we're going to keep the apps running. We'll figure out our new routine because everything needs to be rethought about and changed. And we also needed to take some time and figure out the audio problem that we were having on all of the on the last couple videos. Figured out one of them was the camera microphone just sucks, so we've got to either get a new camera, which basically for the camera it's going to be a new camera, and then we've got an audio stabilizer set up that should keep the noise from bouncing all over the place for you guys. So guys, that's pretty much what we've got going on. However, on videos coming out, we will try to get one definitely Saturday on the update on what we're doing on the phone farm. And we will be releasing other videos in between there. But we're going to spend the next day or two trying to get videos recorded and edited and set up. So that way that maybe we can get a little bit ahead and keep videos rolling for you. So just going to take a little time with having the last 5 days and not doing anything. It takes a little time to actually edit and do stuff. So Just keep that in mind, and we will be back with videos very, very quickly as soon as we can get them done and going for you. So we're going to try to shoot for one more for Saturday for the update. If not, we'll get it done and at least get it edited for you at the beginning of next week. And then we'll start shooting the other videos from there. Anyway, guys, I appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, the day's what you make it. Let's make it a good one.